Lost important WhatsApp messages on your iPhone? Don't panic, today we'll show you 3 proven ways to get them back, even if you have no backup. Make sure to subscribe so you never miss out on practical iPhone tips like this one. In the first method, we will use tenorshare UltData WhatsApp recovery. This is the ultimate way to recover deleted WhatsApp messages without backup on iPhone or Android devices. What's more, you can preview and selectively restore your WhatsApp messages in advance. Now let's see how to recover deleted WhatsApp messages. Download and install tenorshare UltData WhatsApp recovery and open it on your computer. Choose device option and select iPhone. Connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. The software will prompt you to enter passcode to continue. Once the program recognizes your iPhone, a new screen will appear. Click Start to begin recovering deleted WhatsApp data. Now the program will start scanning WhatsApp data in a few minutes. Once the scan is complete, all WhatsApp data will be displayed organized into categories. You can preview messages, photos and other data, including deleted content. Select desired categories and then click Recover. The recovered WhatsApp data will now be accessible on your computer. Keep in mind, restoring from iCloud will overwrite current WhatsApp data on your phone. Make sure to back up current chats if needed. Apple iPhone allows to restore deleted WhatsApp messages from iCloud Backup. You need to have an iCloud Backup enabled for WhatsApp. You can check this by going to WhatsApp, Settings, Chats and Chat Backup. Make sure your backup setting is turned on before deleting the messages. Press and hold the WhatsApp icon on your iPhone, then tap Delete App. Go to the App Store, search for WhatsApp, and reinstall it. Open WhatsApp and follow the setup process. Enter your phone number, make sure it's the same number linked to the iCloud backup. Once you verify your phone number, WhatsApp will automatically detect an iCloud backup. Tap Restore Chat History when prompted. Wait for the restore process to complete. This may take some time depending on the size of the backup and your internet connection. After the chat history is restored, WhatsApp will reload your conversations, and you can continue using it as before with all your messages. If you've previously backed up your iPhone using iTunes or Finder, and that backup includes your deleted WhatsApp messages, you don't have to restore the entire device. Instead, use tenorshare UltData WhatsApp recovery to selectively extract and recover just what you need. Download and install tenorshare UltData WhatsApp recovery and open it on your computer. Choose iTunes recovery option and select the backup that you've created earlier. Now simply select Recover and choose data types you want to restore. Now scanning will start. Wait for few minutes. After the scanning, you can select and preview the desired deleted messages and recover it to your computer. That's it. Whether you had a backup or not, now you know exactly how to retrieve deleted WhatsApp messages on your iPhone. We strongly recommend you to try tenorshare UltData for various data recovery. Drop a comment if you've tried one of these methods, and let us know what worked for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more iPhone tips. See you in the next one.